Dear friends, we have the pleasure in welcoming you to the program on project management concepts, where you will learn to handle projects effectively. Project management have a bright future and huge demand currently as well as in times to come. If you want to earn handsome packages, want to maintain a good lifestyle, willing to travel globally, aspiring to take top management positions, like to deal with new challenges and love to learn new things daily, certainly this course is for you. So during this course, we are going to cover what project is, what project management framework according to the project management body of knowledge published by PMI. We'll walk you through the basics of project management concepts, detailed processes with its inputs, tools and techniques, outputs during this entire course. So after completing this course, you will be able to handle project efficiently in organization. You will learn a lot about project management processes and the latest trends. Before we get into project management, we need to define what exactly a project is. Sure, you have probably been assigned countless projects in schools or on the job, but what is the actual definition? So Project Management Institute defines a project as a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service or result. By temporary, it means it has a definite beginning and ending, whereas unique means that the final outcome must be specific to the project. So these are certain examples of project: construction of a house, developing a new product, doing a research work, business process re-engineering, doing elections, weddings. So these are certain examples. But now you might ask why a project starts. So these are certain justifications: because of market demand, because of the strategic opportunity for organization, customer requirement, business need, social need, technological advancement, legal requirement, stakeholders request, and many more. Since project management is the practice of applying knowledge, skills, tools and techniques to complete a project according to specific requirements. It comes down to identify the problem, creating a plan to solve the problem, and then executing on that plan until the problem has been solved. So this may sound simple, but there is a lot goes into it, and every stage of the processes that we'll see in the later course of time. The roots of project management can be traced as far back as the buildings of the pyramids in Giza, Great Wall of China, Taj Mahal, many projects. However, the modern development of project management began in the 19th century with the existence of Project Management Institute, with its standards, with its guidelines defined in the project management body of knowledge, which every industry is now following. Since the entire process of directing and controlling a project can be hectic and cumbersome, it has been broken down into 5 simple phases, which are known as the process groups, which helps in structuring the efforts and simplifying them into series of logical and manageable steps. So these processes are: initiation, that is, goal for this phase is to define the project; planning, which includes developing a roadmap for everyone to follow; execution, where we complete the defined work in plan; monitoring and control, that is, tracking, reviewing and regulating, as well as checking the performance, so that we have to ensure that we are on right track; then closing, which finalizes all activities and project is completed and transferred to another team who is going to maintain it. So we are going to discuss in detail about the processes under these 5 process group with its tools and techniques, outputs, inputs in detail in our upcoming videos. Until then, goodbye.